Hey, hey, hey!
Okay, so I'm going to explain why Bitcoin is not a bubble. As follows, in front of you, this is a $100 bill. These bills are stacked into $10,000 bundles. You put them on a pallet, that's $100 million. And then right here we will visualize $1 trillion. For your visualization, on this truck there is about $2 billion. Now, let's get to the world's largest companies. You've got Apple, you've got Google, Microsoft, and all that. Keep ExxonMobil in mind, because this is about how much money is currently in cryptocurrency. In total, it's exactly what the market cap is right now. Now, if we go over to gold, this is all the available gold and all the available silver in the world. Fun fact, there is less silver than there is gold. We can visualize the value of this gold and silver by putting the Statue of Liberty here, and basically that should give us an idea how much money there is in gold and silver USD wise. Now, next, you've got the value of all corporate stocks and bonds in the world. Let's make it a bit more extreme. Here you can see the value of all derivatives in the world visualized. Now, what are derivatives? Basically, you take something that has value, you bet on it whether the value will increase or decrease in an X amount of time, and if you win you get money, if you lose money, and basically these are derivatives. Now, I've got a nice picture here. This is all the money in the world visualized. So we have our pyramid here, our inverted pyramid. Starts with gold, then we add cash, we add bank money, which is virtual money. You've got a government bonds, corporate and municipal bonds, all the way up till derivatives. There's about 1 quadrillion USD in derivatives, and this is visualized, you know, in the background here with all this cash. Basically, these buildings should give you an idea. Statue of Liberty, the Big Ben, the Twin Towers here, and this is how much money there is currently in the world. And keep in mind, all this money, or well, most of this money has been printed in the last 30 years. Now let's zoom into gold. So we're going to zoom to gold. There we go. This house on the left, this should approximately visualize how much money is currently sitting in crypto. After that, you've got gold, then you have your Federal Reserve notes and paper money. So this actually visualizes all the money in the world. And then you have all your high risk financial nonsense, which doesn't make any sense, you know. That's why I like to visualize this. I've got this chart from Demonocracy, and if you just take a quick look at this, you can see how insane the world has gone in the past 50 years. You know, so can we really call Bitcoin a bubble when the size of it is less than an average stock market fund, ExxonMobil? You know, I don't think so. And by just looking at this picture, you can get the idea that this could get a whole of a lot bigger, because derivatives are actually high risk money. This top of the pyramid right here, that's the first thing to go when there is a financial crisis. All this money will be gone. Next come your non-monetary commodities. So private business and real estate, this will take a big hit in a financial crisis, because you know, when people don't have money, they can't get a mortgage, nobody can buy a house, price of the houses will go down. You know, then you have a couple of other stuff, government bonds. Governments can always pay back your bonds, because you know, they can print the money, so that's relatively safe. What they cannot guarantee is the purchasing power of that money. Next, you have your bank money, your paper notes. Of course, that's relatively safe when there's a financial crisis. Cash in the hand, you know, it's okay. And then you have your gold, which will always retain its value. And then right here on top, there should be a little triangle, according to me, called Bitcoin. So that's how small Bitcoin actually is. It is not a bubble. Anyone who tells me it is a bubble is, you know, I don't take them seriously. Maybe it will become a bubble, you know, but I like to look at Bitcoin as a growth adoption curve, and you know, not a regular chart. So here's my reasoning. Let me know what you think. Make sure to post a comment down below. And if you like this kind of videos, please just make sure to subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.